Good camera skills. I think she's angry. She doesn't like climbing. She's swearing about how steep it is. No, she's so nice. How could she say that?
Hey, you! This is rhododendron, the national flower of Nepal, if you guys know or not. And this is the climb. It's starting to get nicer. Down there it's just so steep. I hate the climb. With a lot of rocks, loose rocks. It was so steep, damn. But it's getting nicer, still hot. Finally, Koipukyu and mountains. The roads will mostly be like this, and then you'll be able to see mountains. It's hard to climb. If you can see, it's 11% gradient. Nice ridgeline riding. So this is Dakchu village, and I'm guessing that's the pass, Larjung Pass, before we drop into Junbasi. And you can see the road up, and probably there, and at the height of 2916, and we go up to 35. So let's do this. I'm super tired, super tired. And then I'm tired. But I'll make it there. Looking over Picky Peak. Those Picky Peaks. Still more to climb. 30 to 36. Still about 300 meters to climb. It's beautiful. Oh, the forest is filled with rhododendrons. It's beautiful. So many different colors. Not rhododendron, but yellow. Coming down from the pass, and this is the condition of the road. If I show you, it's all rocks. It's very bumpy. My hands are hurting, damn. It's all the way from pass, and we dropped down to 30 to 62 now, and we still have like 500 meters to drop down. That's horrible. My hands are hurting. It's kind of annoying to ride down on this kind of surface. Ooh. It'll be a disaster and hard till I grab a bike. I'm glad I have a full suspension bike here. Corey decided to take a trekking trail with his bikepacking bags. And look at him, cruising over. Yes.
Hey.
That's not nice. You mimic me like that.
Come catch me then.
I know where you're staying tonight. I'll get you there. Almost to Junbisi. Has a nice sunset. Hello from Junbisi, and look who I have. I get a friend. Junbisi. I'll let you know about the name of the hotel. I think I forgot. But this is a nice setup hotel. Good one. I think I'll have more time with this buggy than Corey. I hope he didn't watch this video. Hi. And he came and sat on my lap himself. I didn't even call him. See ya. Buggy, see ya.